This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac XTS oil life. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. Next, find the information button on your steering wheel, usually marked with an eye or a page icon. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options on your driver information center until you see the oil life percentage. Once you've cycled through the options and found the oil life display, you'll see a percentage indicating your current oil life. This is the reading you need to reset. If your vehicle has arrow buttons on the steering wheel, you might use them to highlight the oil life option. Ensure you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. To perform the reset, press and hold the Set/Clear button, which is often located near the information button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down for several seconds. You will see the oil life percentage begin to change, eventually displaying 100%. Once it reaches 100%, you can release the button. This confirms that your oil life monitor has been successfully reset. Resetting your oil life is a simple task, but remember that regular oil changes are vital for maintaining your engine's health and longevity. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific service intervals. While you're thinking about vehicle maintenance, it's also a good idea to check other fluid levels, such as coolant and brake fluid. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.